Hi everyone, this is Kai from RC Rocks. Today I will show you how to remove image background using AI. Let's get started. Open Adobe Background Remover. Open this link. Then drag and drop an image or browse to upload. Here I am browse to upload. Press upload your photo. Then select here any photo. So for example, I am selecting here this photo. It's required some time for uploading purpose. Then check this image background is completely removed from here. Right now, if you want to download this image, press here download. I'm open this without background image. Press here. Look, this image has not any background right now.